What's up, y'all? SES, man. We back on the Donk. Gave y'all the real music challenge. Right now, man, I'm focused on buttoning up this last piece on this pillar I showed y'all a little minute ago. I got everything out the car, so that's all I got.
I thought it looked a lot, man, 'cause there's a lot of mess on the floor, but old AC vents, the retractor covers for the seat belts, they gotta be cleaned up. These for the A pillars, and then
All the bolts and stuff. But looking pretty clean, man. Looking pretty clean. It's me stepping back there. Should have folded the carpet over, but it gotta get cleaned out anyway. The kick panels. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the kick panels I made for the customer. Hold on. His fabric, man, his fabric was very, very thick. It's like the fabric that people use when they don't want their seats to rip. Basically, it's real thick, and I hate using thick fabric on consoles and kick pads because if you pull it a certain way, anything like that, it'll show. Here go the kick panels. You see where I pulled it? That thing be doing that, but it won't be seen. They're alright though. And that the black look like a little sexy black, man. I don't really like it. I can almost guarantee if I would have used a different fabric, it would have looked 1,000 times better. Yeah, that's why I like to use my own fabric, because the fabric I use, if I pull it, it don't wrinkle up. And if I heat it up, it don't wrinkle up. Some certain fabrics, like when people like want to bring their own fabric, the way the fabric is made, it'll make your whole job look like you a rookie or you trash, completely trash, because the way the fabric wrinkles, folds, stretch, all that type of stuff. Get this rear deck back out, and then screw that piece in. I'm looking for this last bolt, man. I had 3 of these. I actually got 1 more. Yeah, the hole looked the same, so we'll roll with it. I'm jamming to Dusty's in here, man. I got the panel off, so you can see what I need to bolt in. Boom, boom, and then that one there. So I'm gonna tighten these all in, and once I do that, it ain't coming back apart for a long time. But yeah, let me go ahead and work. Finally, we got it. I was trying to not take this piece off, but looks like no choice. And then this one, man, I was putting the bolt on, and I came back to realign myself, and it dropped. It's about to do me a little check. But when I cut y'all back on, it'll be back together, and back seats will be going back in. But I'm about to run these wires and label them. Rear deck speaker left. I thought it came off on this side, but shoot. I'm gonna just put that over the positive. This one here, we're gonna cut left and right. So I always do mine from the front of the car. So if I'm facing the front, passenger is the right. So let's label these real quick. That light so bright. Yeah, y'all can see. Rear deck left and right speakers. Tie that into here. And then I'm gonna label it in the trunk. So I'm gonna get Logan to help me. I'm gonna just take them out the amp, test, label each one. Back pillar left, back pillar right, front door right, front door left. And then like I said, we're doing kick panels and console speakers, so all that gotta be labeled. This look like 16 gauge or 14 gauge wire. We're gonna get the same thing, run it. Ain't no sense taking out something that I know is good, and then after just working with it, everything good, just need to be a little bit cleaned up. So I didn't use none of the RCAs I bought, but still good to have for any other future projects coming up. So all that's labeled and ran. What's up, man? We back. It's another great day. A piece that we thought was gonna come for the show. Didn't even make it before the show if it would have happened, but it came the next day. So we got the door seals. Kinda hurt me though. OEM. Yes, Lord. It came with the screws. I was worried about that. Like, man, what kind of screws they come with? Because I ain't got the trim screws. Hey, man. Woo! This part to go over that kit panel. This part to go here. Carpet poofy up here. Yeah, okay, that should do it. And they don't fit like they supposed to. It's this big piece right here that's like for the seat belt or something like that. I don't know what this piece do. But this is stopping it from going all the way down. So even with the carpet out of the way, let's see. I don't think this is the right one. But I don't know at the same time, just say that. But the hole's lining up. Just be a super tight fit right there. So I might try it again. Yes, sir. It fits well. Better than I thought. I screwed this one down a little too far, but it's alright. It's cool. It's cool.
You can't step on that.
You don't supposed to? Why you want to step on it?
No, when you get inside the car.
Oh my God. Had to make a run, get some oil. So we got the oil for my truck. And then, more importantly, some oil for the Donk. I don't know if Walmart oil is supposed to be any bad, but I ain't never had no issues with it. I've been using it about 5 years and absolutely no oil issues. So I didn't know if the cam was properly broken, if it had zinc in it. I know nothing about the car, like nothing. But as far as breaking in, I think it should be all right, man. We ran for a while, but it was running rough, and I know if that extra fuel getting dumped in, it was running rough when I got it. So I'm cheap, man. If that motor broke, I'll be going looking for another small block 350 from the junkyard with some Vortex heads. Yeah, but I'm gonna change that oil, and then I'm gonna rinse the car off. And tonight I'm gonna just go fill the tank up because the sending unit don't work. I don't know how much gas in there, so that's something I gotta add on my list. I thought it wasn't programmed in the gauges, but I'm pretty sure the base tore up the sending unit. And if I replace it and it break again, I'm just gonna have to fill it up every time I take it out, which I don't really operate like that, but hey, if your base tear you up like that, then I guess you got some good base. So I'm change the oil as soon as I get to the house. I'm gonna diagnose the brake lights, because when I put my foot on the brake, I don't get nothing. And then if it's something that I can fix quick, I'm gonna take it off that green Donk and then just swap it over, make it work for the brakes. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna try to get us a nice test ride tonight. I really want to do it in the nighttime because the lights, them lights, man, it's a whole nother front end when you put them lights on the car, I promise y'all. But y'all stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna give me a test ride tonight, brake lights or not. I'm saying that. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned. This 3/4 don't fit. 7/8 don't fit. 19. 21, you stupid. No, I'm not. 21 fit. I'm trying to record another video right after this. Y'all moving so fast. Trying to get it washed and get a washed thumbnail. Hopefully it work out. Go get me a napkin. We're gonna feel through this breather. We got that off. Let's get us a nice little feel plug, a feel funnel. Dusty. Clean it off real quick. Man, it don't even fit. Let's take the grommet off. It'll fit in. Boom. Alright. I had to change it. I had 5W30, but it's a Gen 1. I had to call me. I had to make sure I put. No. I had to call and make sure I was putting the right stuff in there, because I didn't build this motor. I don't know nothing about this motor. There's nothing. And this motor actually gonna be coming out, but I ain't gonna tell y'all why. Just stay tuned. I highly suggest changing the filter, but I ain't know the part number, so I just went without. So don't be like me, find out the filter. I'll change it next time, it'll be cool. But you pour this oil in, check the level. Then, shoot, I'll be starting to wash it. Boom, we're good. So everything's good, oil change, you ready to wash. And then we could check out the brakes and shoot, y'all stay tuned for the next video.